In this video, you'll learn how to transfer USDT from your Phantom wallet to Binance. By following these steps, you will successfully move your cryptocurrency between these two platforms without any complications. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are on the main dashboard, locate the wallet option in the top menu. Hover over Wallet and then select Deposit from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to the deposit page where you can choose the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Next, find and select USDT from the list of cryptocurrencies. After selecting USDT, you will need to choose the correct network for the transfer. This step is crucial because sending USDT through the wrong network can result in a loss of funds. You can choose between Solana, which is labeled as SPL, or Ethereum, which is labeled as ERC20. Make sure to remember which network you selected, as you will need this information later. Once you have selected the network, copy your Binance USDT deposit address. This address is a long string of characters, and you can easily copy it by clicking the copy icon next to the address. It is essential to ensure that you have copied the address correctly, as any mistakes can lead to issues with your transfer. Now, move to your Phantom wallet. Open the wallet application and select the same network you chose on Binance, either Solana or Ethereum. After selecting the network, click on the USDT option within your wallet. This will take you to the USDT management screen where you can initiate the transfer. Click on the send button, which allows you to enter the details of your transfer. Paste the Binance deposit address that you copied earlier into the recipient field. Afterward, enter the amount of USDT you wish to send. It is important to double check both the address and the amount before proceeding to avoid any errors. Before you confirm the transaction, ensure that you have enough gas fees for the transfer. If you are sending USDT on the Solana network, you will need a small amount of SOL. If you're using the Ethereum network, make sure you have a little ETH available. Gas fees are necessary for processing your transaction on the blockchain. After confirming all details and ensuring you have the necessary gas fees, complete the transfer. The transaction will then be processed and you will need to wait for confirmation. Transfers on the Solana network are typically completed in under 1 minute, while Ethereum transactions may take a few minutes too. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.